Filo tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Filo. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Filo, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Filo, it is an AI-powered email management platform designed to transform traditional email inboxes into an organized, action-oriented workspaces in which built primarily for Gmail users. And Filo uses artificial intelligence to automatically identify important messages, extract tasks, deadlines, follow-ups, and appointments, and convert them into an actionable to-do items, in which the platforms also help users reduce inbox clutter through smart filtering, email summarization, AI-generated replies, and natural language commands, allowing them to focus on high-priority communication rather than sorting through large volumes of email. So now to create an account, you can click the download button in here, and upon choosing the download button, it will show you the step-by-step process upon opening it and installing it. This is basically what it looks like of a dashboard of Filo. All you need to do is simply sign in or connect your Gmail account, and you can now start navigating on the left side panel here. You have an option to compose smart inboxes, this to-do list, new chat, and of course to connect your Gmail account in here, in which it is already categorized in here as an important, updates, and promotions on the top panel. As you can see, you can start clicking on it to see some of your inboxes of email. However, as you can see in here, it already has this summarized content show in here before you start clicking on it. And after clicking on it, it will show in here the summary of all the email contents. So you don't need to read all of this, so you just simply need to read this one. You have an option also to read the legacy kit or unsubscribe to the recipient in here. So let's say I'm going to reply by clicking this arrow on the top right corner. And in here it will show you an option to simply send or start typing with AI in here. By clicking this one, it will automatically show you have an option to choose the writing style and even the languages. So for instance in here, I'm going to simply enter as an example, "Thank you, but I'm not interested." And I'm going to use AI in managing it. And by clicking on it, it will show us in here that it is now currently creating our own formal replies for it. So this is basically what it looks like. So you have an option to choose the writing style to make it friendly, professional, and many more. So by choosing here a different kind of mode, you also can make it longer if you want to by clicking on the longer option below. Make it shorter, rewrite this, and even check the grammar for it. You can even attach a file for it upon sending, and even a signature for it. But this is basically the sample of how you can start using this Filo upon replying to any email inquiries in here. But as you can see, you'll also have an option to choose this icon on the top right corner, which is the AI icon, in which it allows user to interact with the email using the natural language instead of manually searching through inbox. However, some features are not available since I'm just using the free plan in here. You can assign this AI to make a to-do list on a specific kind of email. However, as you can see, it is currently working on my part as I'm only using the free plan in here. But if you're using the pro plan, you could also ask a question such as what emails need a reply today, summarize my unread messages, or find emails about next week meeting. Those are some of the prompts that you can ask the AI in here. You have also this AI chat in which you can start uploading or simply questioning here a variety of tasks or what you want to do, such as you can enter here find emails about next week's meeting and many more. So basically this feature can also generate email summaries, drop replies, create tasks from email content, manage labels and filters, and help organize messages automatically. And if you also want to integrate some other applications or your account in here, you can do so by clicking connect to your apps button right here. And it will show you on this pop-up window that you can simply connect your Gmail account, Outlook, and many more. Moving on, as you can see, you have also an option here to choose this to-do list by clicking on it. in which this feature helps user turn emails into actionable tasks so that important responsibilities do not get lost in a crowded inbox. Using AI intelligence, Filo Mail can automatically identify action items, deadlines, follow-ups, and commitments mentioned in email. Now upon clicking the three dots on the top right corner, we have here directed in the personalization where you can personalize or simply customize the email experience according to the preferences and work style. And through AI, the platform learns from user behavior such as which emails are most important, how messages are categorized, and preferred communication patterns. So it will show in here everything that you can even personalize or edit as you can see and save the changes, such as for agent behavior, email, triage, to do, and many more. And now aside from this, Filo Email also offers this smart filter that uses AI to automatically organize and prioritize incoming email. So in here, as you can see, you can select either transaction, bills, OTP as a suggestion, then choose the condition in here. And for the action, let's say I'm going to label this as updates. And you could also make an action such as to start it, move to trash, move to spam, mark as important, and many more. This is basically the example of creating a rule of smart filter in here. So instead of displaying all messages in a single inbox, Smart Filter categorizes email into groups such as important messages, newsletters, promotions, updates, and low priority communication. You can also navigate here the writing styles to update and even the archive chats in here. It will show you the list. From mail, it will show you here the inbox where you can adjust, change since currently we're using AI summary view. You can even choose either subject line view only and many more. So basically everything is pretty much accessible and customizable in here, including how we can start composing an email as you can see. We could also start using AI in creating those. You also have an option to choose here this notification to turn on, and even there's some of the shortcuts on your keyboard upon navigating this Filo Mail, such as a shortcut in adding an attachment, a shortcut in writing a message, marking as spam, and many more. Aside from this, you can even choose the appearances, such as dark mode as you can see I'm choosing this one, and even the sizes of the font, such as to make it bigger or even just smaller as you can see. So everything is pretty much accessible in here and customizable. So basically this Filo Mail is important because it helps users manage their emails more efficiently through the use of AI, and also its features such as AI chat, smart filter, to-do list, and personalization reduce the time spent sorting through emails and make it easier to focus on important messages. And the platform improves productivity by automatically organizing emails, identifying tasks and deadlines, summarizing lengthy conversations, and assists with email responses. So overall, that is just basically how you can start using Filo Mail. Thank you.